Hey guys, JaMya here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm starting a wash and go series. So the two products that I'll be showing you guys today is these two, and they have been very helpful to keep my hair manageable and moisturized throughout the week. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. And if you guys aren't subscribed, please make sure you go subscribe right now. Okay guys, so I'm starting off by taking my hair down from my microfiber towel, and I'm just going to take it out of my bun. And then I'm just going to fluff out my hair a little bit. The products I use to wash my hair with is the Mane & Tail Herbal Growth Shampoo and the Deep Moisturizing Conditioner. And I kept that conditioner in for 20 minutes. Now back to my hair. I'm just splitting it in half. And I'm putting this one section up. Now I'm going to take the other section and split it in half and just put the top section up with a scrunchie. Just keep it out of the way. So normally I start off by spritzing my hair with some water just to add some moisture back into my hair. So next I like to use the Palmer's Olive Oil Formula Curl Extend Hair Pudding, and basically I just take about a dime size amount and I just put this all over the section, and I just make sure that it's evenly distributed all throughout this section. So after applying and distributing the product throughout this section, I just like to take my wide tip comb and just detangle this section just to make sure there are no tangles and knots in it. And I'm just taking the same product once again and just distributing this out through this section just to make sure my hair is moisturized. So the next product I'll be using is the Smooth and Shine Polishing Weightless Hold Styling Gel. And to apply it onto my hair, I just use a dime size amount. And then I use like a praying hand method just to apply it onto my hair. Then I just evenly distribute it onto my hair. Sometimes I finger coil some parts in this section just because I want it to be a little bit more defined. And now on to the next section, I'm just basically doing the same thing. So I just like to scrunch up my front sections because they don't like to curl up properly. And this is how my hair looks when it's all the way wet. And I'll be back with you guys when my hair dries 100%. Okay guys, so this is how my hair turned out. And it's just fluffy and shiny, and my hair is very defined. I don't know why this little piece over here don't want to curl up, but whatever. Honestly, for the past few weeks of me using those two products, my hair has been turning out really good, and it's lasts for a long time. So if you guys want to try those products, then please do so. But yeah, this is how my hair turned out for my first wash and go series. If you want to see more wash and go series from me, then comment down below and like this video. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side.